I just saw this idea of go green, and I was just drinking a bottle of water where I just saw, and I like this idea very much. And along with go green, I got this from Yutong as well. Thank you very much.
This has to be a beginning for other companies to follow, and it's very good for the society. So once again, my best wishes to Yutong team.
I do that in my life as well, not only here in Busworld, but in my life, of course. To recycle not only plastic, but all stuffs, if it is possible. It's something to save our world.
To be honest, I really find it's funny topic, and I'm looking forward what will it be out of the plastic, what will be done out of it. That would be nice.